welcome to More My Love, and I am Shubhoshri. You can also find us at our official website, that is www.moremylove.com. So you must be super bored by now staying at home because of this coronavirus thing, and most of us still cannot go out to meet our friends and families, and it is getting our mind is getting too much occupied with all these things which is happening around us. So today I have brought to you 8 family games which will be helpful for your child who can be a toddler or a preschooler. So you can even play this game with your child if they are around 6 to 7 years old. So if you increase the difficulty level like that, it will be a fun-filled affair. So as you know that even when we are playing some game, it has some educational value to it. So what we are doing with these games, we are helping our child to coordinate, to be a part of the team, to be a team player, and at the end of the day it is always about family bonding. So obviously these games will be fun-filled activities, but along with that there will be 3 objectives which we are focusing upon. So before we do this, I would request you to subscribe to my channel because your support means a lot to us. So in the first game, what we are going to do is we will share A4 size paper or whatever paper you have. So first of all, we will give one paper to each member, and first he will start. So somebody is going to draw on my back on this paper, and then I have to do the same on her, and finally she is going to draw that on her paper. So we will do 3 or 4 shapes like that, and at the end we will see like what is the final outcome. That is really going to be fun. You can see that.
Yeah.
I could not really understand very well what it was. Are you done?
Yes.
Okay, now the second one. Just going on like that. Okay. Now it's Ritu's turn. Can you do it?
Tito.
Can you understand what I did?
I don't know.
Okay, I'm doing this again. Okay, do it. Whatever you feel, you can make. Okay, next time. Okay. Whatever. Do it. Just do it. It's the last one. Done? So now we are going to show our papers to you. This is what oh my god, this was A. So this A, what I did is I made 2 lines, and what did you do? She wrote a V. She wrote a V for that. And then after A, you
It's
wrote
C.
C. I wrote another line, another straight line.
Then this 8.
Then it is 8. I have also done it 8. 8 here. 8 I could understand. Sanvi could make it only U. She did not understand it's 8.
Then V.
Yeah, I made it V.
Sanvi
and
also
she
made it
it W. It's W.
Okay.
Yeah. Then
L.
L. He made L and I made a tick mark. Sanvi wrote a V over here. She wrote a V. So that was really fun. So was it fun for you playing that? So moving on to our next game, that's a magic trick. So we are going to show you a magic. All 3 of us has prepared a magic for to show it to you. So Chandri will present a magic, which is there will be some water in a glass, and after some time, after she does all her magic spell, the water is going to disappear. I have a magic trick which is like a coin will disappear. And what do you have for us?
I have a magic trick where I will invert the glass but the water will not fall.
So the glass will have water in it
Yeah.
and it will not fall.
Yes.
Oh, that's an interesting one. We will see that.
But my one is different.
Okay, let's see. Please, after seeing this video, let us know in the comment section which one is your favorite game and which one you enjoyed playing the most with your family at home, and who is performing the best over here. So this is a glass of water. You can see it is half filled. Now Chandri is going to show us a magic where this, after her magic spell, this glass of water, this water will disappear. So can I hold this glass for you?
Yeah.
Yeah, now?
I need a pen.
Okay, now you are going to tell your magic spell, right?
Abracadabra. Two.
Yeah. Now you can still see that the water is here. After some time you will see the water is not here. See, the water has already disappeared after she said gilly gilly choo, abracadabra.
So let me show my magic trick now. So I have taken one lid, okay, and this
Okay.
is the water, okay.
Okay, so do you have water in the glass? Can you
Yes, I
show
have
us?
water in the glass, full half glass.
Okay.
Okay, now I will just reverse it. Okay. And now the water will not come out.
Wow!
Okay, so you can
Very
see
good.
that the water has not come out.
Ah,
Okay, so the water is inside.
That was nice.
My magic trick.
So now our third game. It is a memory game which we are going to play. So you can also play this with your child, whatever be their age, whatever it is. That will sharpen your memory and teach your child how to remember things. So we will start with you. Can you say a word?
Yeah, line.
Lion, banana,
Lion, banana, seahorse.
seahorse.
Seahorse. Lion, banana, seahorse. Peanut.
Lion, banana, seahorse, peanut, cucumber. You have to say lion,
Lion,
banana,
banana,
Seahorse.
seahorse,
what's yours? Seahorse, you say seahorse.
seahorse,
Yeah.
Peanut.
peanut,
Cucumber,
cucumber, window, and a lantern.
Lion.
No, lantern.
Okay, lion, banana, seahorse,
lion, banana, seahorse.
cucumber.
No, you are wrong.
Oh, lion, banana, seahorse, peanut, cucumber, window, and then apple.
Lion, banana, seahorse, peanut, cucumber, window, apple. Is it apple, right?
Yes.
Apple, box.
Okay, so let me say
Okay.
Lion,
Yes.
kangaroo.
Kangaroo, she's
You're
out.
out.
You're out. Now it's your turn.
lion.
Okay. You can sit here. Come with us.
No, I'll be down.
Okay, out means out. Now you can come.
Okay,
Pick up
come here.
Yeah.
Okay, lion.
Hmm?
Then
You're out. You cannot take much time. So I am a winner. Now our fourth game is showing your emotion. So I will again distribute two papers to both of them. I will be the referee of this match. So as soon as I tell them about some emotion, like I will say John is happy. So happy means what? A happy face means a smiling face. So they have to draw a smiling face instantly. Do you understand what I say?
yes.
I will give you 5 emotions and they have to draw it. So John is angry. John is sad. John is happy. John is crying. John is crying.
Yes, I got.
Okay, now John is sleepy. John is about to fall asleep.
Done.
Whoever is done, give me first. Okay, Chandra gave me first. But what she has done? This one is John is angry. This one is angry. Look at the eyebrows. John has no nose, no mouth, nothing. John doesn't have anything. And look at this raised eyebrows. John is angry. What raised eyebrows you have made?
Wait, can I see?
Yeah, this one is John is sad. See, this one is inverted U. John is sad. Then this John is happy. Then this double line is John is crying. And this one he is sleepy. How can this be a sleepy sign? This one. What is this? And look at this. This one John is angry. Then he is.
Sad.
What is this? Is this sad? He's smiling. Such a big smile on his. And what are these two? What are these two?
I mean, he is doing like this.
Okay. Now this one, John is
Happy.
happy. He's crying. Okay, good. And this is sleepy.
Sleepy.
What? Sleepy. When you are sleepy, you have no emotions on your face.
Yeah,
Just
so
you
sleeping.
do your eyes like this, big
Yeah.
eyes. So our fifth game is passing the pillow. So here we will use this teddy and we will pass it while the music is playing. And when it is stopped, we will ask whoever has this teddy in their hand, we will ask them to perform something or do something for us. So let's begin.
Hey, Me too.
You.
Show us a funny face.
Okay, now we will play this for the
Okay.
next time. Okay, can you tell us a joke?
Yeah.
Okay, let me tell a joke. One day we went to see.
Look at his face. This is only making it a joke.
One day we went to see some puja along
Okay.
with my mama. Okay, my uncle.
Okay.
So uncle means my maternal.
Funny face.
Uncle. So we went there and then he was saying that let's go for some food. We are very excited. Okay, we will go for some food.
Okay.
And then suddenly he went to some bhaji shop and then said that okay, let's have
Bhajis.
2 rupees bhaji everyone. So we are just looking at his face that okay, with this bhaji how will we have dinner?
Oh,
So,
it was time for dinner and you only had bhaji to eat.
yeah.
Now our sixth game is that is hiding an object. So what we will do is we have some few elements over here. Like in a tray, this is Sanvi's writing tool, and here I have kept a watch, a clip, a rubber band, a pen, a cup, a cream, and a box of Band-Aid. So once I cover this, I'm going to remove one object, and she has to recognize which object has been removed. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so not like that. Can you see? If you want to see, you can see once. What are there in details? You see here first. What are there?
Band-Aid,
Okay.
cream, pen, clip, and a watch.
And then there is a rubber band,
Rubber band,
and a cup. Okay. Now you can close your eyes. We are covering it. Let's take out something from here. One thing, so that she is unable to understand. Okay. Now can you see and tell us what is not there? What is missing? So by this, she has to remember that what are the things that were there present before. You cannot. The camera is there. Now tell me what is missing from this tray.
I think a clip.
The clip is already here.
Clip? Can you give me a clip?
So the pen is missing from here, and Chandri is unable to understand. So our seventh game is about joining the dots. So here are so many dots, and they are going to join the dots one at a time, means 2 dots at a time. And when they form a box, they will write their initials inside that box. So at the end, we will see that how many box has been made, and the more box in somebody's name, that person is going to win. Are you both ready?
Yes.
Okay. Start with lines. Wait till you have to wait for your turn. You cannot do like that. No, you cannot leave the dots in between. Make as many as boxes you can. But you cannot leave. Only 4 makes a box, Sanvi. Only 4 makes a box. Try another one. Quick. Write C inside. Whatever you make. Okay, I'll help you. Okay. So let us count how many C is there on this paper. Oh my god, I think C is more. C is more. And why you have written D-R-O-N-A? You only had to write D. So obviously C is more, and you can see how like spider web they have made. So this is tic-tac-toe. So as you all know how to play this, so this is really fun when you play at home, and Chandri is going to play with her father right now. So who will do the cross first?
Me.
Okay. Okay. Can I help you?
I can do it.
Fine. Here. Can you tell me? Yes. Wait. Sanvi wins. She had 2 chances to win, here as well as here. So these were our 8 family games which we played at home. You can easily play that, especially when you are, stuck at home, cannot go outside. So this will give your child an engagement with your family, as well as these will teach them something which they can remember. They will it can enhance their remembering skills and all
Yes.
that. So I hope you'll have fun while playing with these games. And did you have fun playing this?
Yes.
Okay, so that's all for today. And if you like this video,
Please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to smile.
okay,
If you like our video, please subscribe and like.
okay, if you like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. And let me tell you again that every weekday I come up with parenting videos as well as early childhood education, along with kids activity, fun and family games, and parent-child relationship as well. So please don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.